Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailchimp to sync audiences to HubSpot. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Mailchimp to sync audiences to HubSpot, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab located on the left menu. Select the audience you wish to sync with HubSpot. Click on Manage Audience and then choose Settings. Scroll down to find the audience name and defaults section. Take note of the audience name, as you'll need it later. Now, log into your HubSpot account. Go to the Marketing dashboard and select Email. Click on Integrations from the drop-down menu. In the Integrations section, look for Mailchimp and select it. Follow the prompts to connect your Mailchimp account to HubSpot. Authorize HubSpot to access your Mailchimp account. Once connected, return to the HubSpot dashboard. Select Contacts from the main menu. Click on Lists to see the current lists in HubSpot. Now, create a new list by clicking on Create List. Select Static List and give it a name relevant to your Mailchimp audience. Next, navigate back to your Mailchimp account. Go to the Audience tab and click on Settings. Look for Webhooks and click to add a new webhook. In the URL field, input the HubSpot webhook URL for your created list. Set the appropriate triggers for the webhook. Save your changes in both Mailchimp and HubSpot. Now, go back to HubSpot and check for any synced contacts. You should see contacts from the Mailchimp audience appear in HubSpot. Test the integration by adding a new contact in Mailchimp. Verify that the contact appears in your HubSpot list after a few moments. Adjust any settings as needed to refine the sync process. Your Mailchimp audience is now successfully synced to HubSpot. Enjoy seamless email marketing and customer management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.